Whereabouts have you posted up? On the back. Bong 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 bong. On your back.
The sound is just great, isn't it?
Fucking Marshall.
Marshall, duck!
Marshall, duck, please!
You're in the firing line! Ah, hit! How many?
One far right. Far right of that, the far building. Toilet block, toilet block. Red toilet block, I've got unidentified. We got this bit pinned down. There's a guy on the far right hand side building.
Go on the other right building as well.
By the
Marshall.
Okay. He's down.
The Marshall.
Is it clear to move up to the tyres in front of me, bud? Is it clear for me to move up to the tyres in front of me?
Fairly clear, we've got one coming down.
On your six, mate, red. Fucking hell. Hit! Fighting into the sun this way, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can. Is the building ours? Are we sure? Okay.
Is there any windows facing that way? Yeah.
Yeah.
One that.
On your six.
Is it upstairs?
Yes. Have to go through on the right this way.
I don't know behind that foot. There's also a body in the back.
Oh god, the sun's making it really hard to see. I got no visual on this, but the sun's making it way too hard to see. I'm going down the building, bud. You've got no risk security on the ground floor. Mike, back of the hut, right side. Hit! I think that building bit's gone though.
If you go that way, you go low.
Yeah.
You go low, I'll go from
Sure.
the top.
Sure.
'Cause I'll.
Jay, you still got the building, bud? You just got shot. God damn. Okay, we don't have that building anymore.
They got it. I don't know where that guy's at. The one that's fucking shooting. Where are they?
He is right by that barricade over there.
Which one? At the back?
Barricade with the wooden slats between the two.
Watch out, there's someone down. Back barricade with a wooden flat. Okay, I'm going to go around to one side. He's down, he's down.
Okay.
Is he down or is he just
Nah, he's good. I think he's down.
is he trying to taunt us?
Nah, I think he's trying to taunt us.
Where that barrier is, second barrier back, with the wooden flat. The guy down to the left hand side of that. Yeah, that's one there he is. Have we got anyone over further?
He's pinned.
Going for a hero kill. Right, put down some cover fire for us.
Hold up.
I'm going to try and run up on him.
Okay. Hold up. Let me reload. Okay.
Ready?
Reloaded.
I'm going to go under you. So be ready. 3.
3.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, that was you.
There's a lot more there than I thought. Yes! There's a lot more there than you realise.
He's playing with us.
We're going to change factory. And I'll join in again.
Dude, middle barricade. He's gone. Middle barricade over there, directly to my 12.
That one.
Are you able to cover? Oh.
Oh, fuck, there's a sniper down there.
Is a. Where about? Oh shit! Yeah, I heard.
Up that way.
Yeah, I heard.
Anyone got a sniper rifle?
Anyone got range?
A little bit more to the right. Shot again.
Come on, guys, come on, let's just fucking, let's give it our best. We might as well, we're here to, let's waste all our ammo.
I've
Fuck
actually
was
tried
that?
down that way yet.
Hold up, where was that from? Where was that from?
You can move.
Hit! Shitting hell. Going down this alleyway, you die straight away.
That's where the grenade's going to come in.
Did you have yours still?
Yeah, I've used it.
Where are we all going to go then? Go. Together. As one. Yeah. As one, we shall all die together.
Valhalla! Hey!
Fucking hand.
I know where they are then. I know exactly where they are now. Okay, guys, we got that window in that Ivy building.
Yeah.
We've got a small window about midway through. Concentrate fire on that because they are firing out of there straight into our spawn. Guys, mid window in that green building with the ivy on it. Yeah. I got no movement in that small window now. Hit! Top floor of that second story building, they're shooting down this ways. They're shooting across from that second story building up there.
I killed the guy in that room. He was hiding in the darkness, and I came around the corner and went, and we both drew on each other and shot each other at the same time. I can't see fuck all though.
They are now occupying that second building, shooting across. They had one guy in there, didn't they? So
Yeah.
basically, this is the worst side to spawn on
Yeah, I agree.
for spawn killing. Whoa, what the heck? They, in that second story window, we are so screwed if we try and cross that ways because they are shooting straight over. So yeah, second story window, but he's shooting straight across. What? Yeah. No point in even trying to assault the building then, really. They probably, I think they've got snipers that side. Jay, I'm going to try and push around again on that right-hand side of the map by the shower blocks. Yeah, by the sounds of it, left-hand side's completely fucked. Snipers everywhere.
Thank you, Hal.
Still up in that top window.
We've pushed up a little this way. Let's try and take 56, alright? Guys, it's 56 ours. Is this ours?
As far as I know, yeah. But it's not.
After you, bud. Hold on. Do you want me to clear it? Come back in here, bud.
God damn.
Clear there. I'm in 56 at the moment, bud. "56 is clear. If you want to occupy the building, 56 is clear."